Today's grower faces more pressure than ever before, with increased input costs, fluctuating commodity prices, and equipment breakdowns that can leave you scrambling for time. To make a profit, precision is paramount, and with premium PWM or pulse width modulation spray tips from TeeJet, managing your input costs is now within your reach to help you increase yields and build a better bottom line. Keeping your spray application rate consistent across the entire boom can be a struggle, especially on varied terrains or when turning or changing speed, leaving you with costly wasted product or not enough to finish the job. That's where PWM changes the game. Unlike conventional systems that rely on pressure to change the flow, PWM keeps your application rate, spray pressure, and droplet size consistent across varying conditions by rapidly cycling the nozzle on and off multiple times per second. This rapid pulsing allows the system to consistently adjust the on time of the nozzle, giving you independent control over both application rate and spray pressure. This means superior coverage and better performance, so you know exactly how much product you're applying. The key benefits of PWM are immediate, beginning with consistent droplet size. Because the rate is controlled by pulse, you can maintain your ideal spray pressure to keep the ideal droplet size across a wider range of speeds than ever before. This is critical for managing drift control and product performance. Precise application rate. PWM ensures you apply the exact planned rate from the moment you start to the moment you stop, minimizing costly over or under application and efficiency in every pass. Superior turn compensation. When maneuvering corners, the system automatically adjusts the pulse rate for every individual nozzle, ensuring the faster outer edges and the slower inside edges both apply the exact same volume. PWM raises the bar for spray tip performance. To succeed in PWM systems, spray tips must form spray patterns quickly, reach steady-state performance quickly, deliver crisp on-off shut-off, operate reliably at frequent pulsing. TeeJet uses precise equipment to validate spray performance under PWM conditions. But not all spray tips perform equally under PWM, so choosing the right product matters. Accredited third-party testing from the Digital Ag Innovation Lab at Iowa State University demonstrates that TeeJet spray tips deliver consistent application accuracy and uniform spray patterns across a range of operating conditions, including some air induction spray tips like the air induction turbo twin-jet. This independent research validates that TeeJet spray tips provide reliable and uniform coverage, supporting effective and consistent herbicide application in the field. TeeJet offers a wide range of premium spray tips optimized for PWM, developed to perform reliably with different crop protection products. TeeJet premium PWM spray tips include Turbo TeeJet, a versatile spray tip with excellent performance and pattern quality. Good coverage and penetration for herbicides, insecticides, and fungicide applications, depending on label requirements for droplet size. Turbo twin-jet, dual-tapered precision you can trust with TeeJet. Excellent coverage and penetration in deeper canopies for contact herbicides, insecticides, and fungicide applications. Air induction turbo twin-jet, dual-tapered edge spray tip with air induction technology. Excellent for drift control and deep canopy coverage for systemic herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. AccuPulse twin-jet, the first spray tip designed specifically for use with PWM sprayer controls, offers maximum drift control and is perfect for conditions where drift reduction is critical for systemic herbicide application. Pulse width modulation isn't just a feature, it's a fundamental upgrade to managing your operations' input costs and building a better bottom line. Invest in the power of precision. No matter which PWM system you choose, TeeJet Premium Spray Tips are your best choice for consistent, reliable performance. Contact your authorized TeeJet distributor or visit teejet.com to learn more.